Let's start. I have had the benefit of the opinions of my learned brothers Justice Surjo Kanto and Justice J.B. Pardiwala having regard to the constitutional importance of the issues raised. I deem it necessary to author my own opinion. Para. The judgment of Justice Surjo Kanto traces the background and the submissions of the council with sufficient clarity to avoid prolixity. I will briefly advert to the background. Para. In 1985, the Citizenship (Amendment Act 1985) was enacted to include Section 6A to the Citizenship Act. The provision grants citizenship to persons of Indian origin who migrated to Assam from Bangladesh. The provision classifies the class of migrants into two categories based on when they entered Assam: those who entered Assam before 1st January 1966 and those who came to Assam after 1st January 1966 but before 25 March 1971. Para. Section 6A (2) provides that a person would be deemed to be a citizen of India as on 1st January 1966 if the following conditions are fulfilled. Para. The persons must be of Indian origin. A person is deemed to be of Indian origin if they or either of their parents or their grandparents were born in undivided India. Para. The person should have come to Assam from a specified territory before 1st January 1966. Specified territory is defined as territories included in Bangladesh immediately before the commencement of the Citizenship (Amendment Act 1985). All those persons who were included in the electoral roll used for the purpose of the general election to the House of People in 1967 must be considered, and the person should have been an ordinary resident in Assam since the date of entry into Assam. Para. Section 6A (3) states that a person must register to secure citizenship in accordance with the rules made by the central government under Section 18 if the following conditions are fulfilled. Para. The person must be of Indian origin. Para. The person must have entered Assam on or after 1st January 1966 but before 25 March 1971 from the specified territory, that is Bangladesh. Para. The person must have been ordinarily resident in Assam since the date of entry into Assam, and the person must be detected as a foreigner in accordance with the provisions of the Foreigners Act 1946 and the Foreigners (Tribunals) Order 1964. Para. The explanation to Section 6A (3) stipulates that the opinion of the tribunal constituted under the Foreigners Tribunals Order declaring a person to be a foreigner is deemed as sufficient proof for requirement. Whether the person satisfies the other requirements must be decided on the basis of the opinion of the tribunal. If there is a finding in the opinion with respect to that requirement, if the opinion does not have a finding with respect to the other requirements, the registering authority must refer the questions to the tribunal. Para. Section 6A (4) states that if the person who has registered under subsection within bracket 3 is included in the electoral roll for any assembly or parliamentary constituency, their name must be deleted from the roll for a period of 10 years from the date of detection as a foreigner. However, a person who has been registered will have the same rights and obligations as a citizen of India, except having their name included in the electoral roll for 10 years. They will also have the right to obtain passport under the Passport Act 1967 upon the completion of 10 years from the date of detection as a foreigner. A person who has registered would deem to be a citizen of India. Para. The petitioners initiated proceedings under Article 32 of the Constitution inter alia for challenging the constitutional validity of Section 6A of the Citizenship Act by an order dated 17th December 2014. A two-judge bench of this court referred the following 13 issues to a constitution bench. Stop. Thank you.